morning students, this is class 6 civics lesson. In this chapter we are learning about Panchayati Raj. Yesterday's live class we have already learned about what is the Gram Sabha. Again I am telling you, in the village all the people, those who are above 18, they are coming under the Gram Sabha. Gram means gaon and Sabha means Sabha, right? Now, the second label, they choose their leaders. So, in each ward, one person coming under the panchayat, right? So, each ward having their leaders and they just listen them and define all the problems, right? Now, I hope you people understand the work of Gram Panchayat also. What is the work of the Gram Panchayat? The Gram Panchayat and maintenance of the water sources, road, drainage, school, buildings and other common properties, resources, right? In this way, you can say whatever construction is happening in the village, that is coming under the Gram Panchayat. Or Gram Panchayat is responsible for the Gram Sabha also, right? Whatever they decided, they have to keep their point in front of the Gram Sabha. And then every person of the Gram Sabha will say yes, then they will apply that, right? Living the collecting local taxes, how they are surviving, how they are doing their work, from where they are getting the money for their local construction work, etc. So they are collecting the local taxes, house taxes, road taxes or something else. Executing government schemes related the generating employment in the village. Whatever the schemes of the government, they just explore them, right? Explore means they have to say, they just do the advertisement, they just tell, keep the meetings continuously and they just tell to each and every person about that samiti or about that employment, whatever employments are coming under them under the Gram Panchayat, right? So the Gram Panchayat meets regularly and one of its main task, it is to implement development programs for all the villages that come under it. I have already told you, 1 or 2 or 3 villages, if they are small, they can make one Gram Panchayat, right? Or it may be one village have one panchayat, Gram Panchayat also. So, whatever the implement development programs, how can they develop their gram, how can they develop their village? That is the duty of the Gram Panchayat. As you have seen, the work of the Gram Panchayat has to be approved by the Gram Sabha. Till the time Gram Sabha was not approved the work of the Gram Panchayat, they cannot decided that, right? In some states, Gram Sabha from committees like construction and the development committees of some big villages, means they are having enough population. So, Sarpanch or the members of the Gram Panchayat are unable to seek each and every work, they make the committees for that also. Means small committees, like I am giving the example of your class. In your class teacher is unable to handle all the students, what they are doing, they are completing the work or not, how decorate the class. So we also make this committee, right? In 5 students, 1 student is the leader of that 5 students committee, and you have to check the workbooks sometimes, right? And some students are in the committee of the class decoration, so they just decorate their classes, right? In this way, the Gram Panchayat is also make the committee like development committees, construction committee. So in that way, they just seek the work which type of construction is needed in the village, right? These committees include some members of the Gram Sabha and some from the Gram Panchayat. They can take some people from the Gram Sabha also and some people from the Gram Panchayat also, who work together and carry out a specific task. Means in that time you just read the story of that village, Hardas Gram. So in that way they are having the water problem. So they collected in the gram, all the Gram Sabha collected together and make the decision that they have to use the barren land to make the pond. In the next page, in this picture, you can see. So look, the barren land they are using to make the pond, and after some time, look how change it is. It is looking too much greenery and water is also available in that, right? So in that way we can say that they are taking the decisions with the approval of Gram Sabha, right? Now I am saying you the second thing of this chapter. There are three levels of the Gram Panchayat. Three levels of Gram Panchayat. What are the three levels? Because too many Gram Panchayat make a block, right? So they are coming under the block that is called Panchayat Samiti. The Panchayat Samiti has Panchayat under it, and above the Panchayat Samiti, that is District Panchayat or Jila Parishad, right? So there are three levels of this. First is Gram Panchayat, right? Or the Panchayat Samiti. Second is block level, or after the block level, some Panchayat Samiti under the one block, and after some blocks are comes under the some blocks coming under the Jila Parishad. So this Jila Parishad is the main block, main Samiti of that, taking care of the village, right? So in this way you can understand, I think there are three levels of Panchayat: block level, block level and district level. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.